Do you want to take your text from this to this, but don't want to spend all that time changing the sizes and aligning your text to look just right? Well, I have good news. With all new updates to Adobe Photoshop, they've made stacking type so easy with the new dynamic type feature. And you can do all of it with just a single click. All we have to do is select our type and then click on this dynamic text button over here in our properties panel. And as soon as we click that, it stacks our type perfectly. It's so easy. And if you're one of those people who doesn't like using the properties panel, you can also go up here to type, convert to dynamic text, and it will do the same thing. Now that we've created our dynamic text, we also have these additional options that pop up over in our properties panel. This first option is for controlling the space between our words. So if we click on that and we change that drop down to, we'll say 300%, we can make the spacing between our words really wide. Or alternatively, we can go back and drop it down to, we'll say 50% to really tighten up that spacing. And then the second drop-down menu is for controlling the spacing between our lines. So if we type in, let's say 12%, then our text really condenses up into this tight little package. And if we want to change any words in our dynamic text, all we have to do is type in our box just as normal, and it automatically reformats our text for us. And then if we decide after all of these edits that this dynamic text really isn't for us, we can either go up here to type, convert to paragraph text, or just click on that same dynamic text button over here in our properties panel to put our text right back the way it started. And that's it. It's now just that easy to create and modify dynamic text with these new updates to Adobe Photoshop. And now that you've mastered dynamic text, did you know that there's a quick and simple method for changing specific colors in your photos right here in Adobe Photoshop? I have a video right here to show you how.